Welcome to the Survival Craft and Rescue Boats training course of the Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines. In this lesson, we will focus on the maintenance procedures of survival craft and rescue boats, a vital aspect of ensuring readiness, safety, and operational reliability at all times. Proper maintenance prevents equipment failure, guarantees compliance with the SOLAS and LSA code, and safeguards lives in maritime emergencies. By the end of this session, you will be able to explain the maintenance procedures and identify the tools and equipment used in maintenance activities. Maintenance of survival, craft, and rescue boats must be carried out at regular intervals as prescribed by the manufacturer's instructions and in accordance with the ship's maintenance schedule. Regular inspection ensures that all parts, from the hull to the release gear, propulsion systems, and communication devices, remain fully functional. Even a small oversight can compromise the safety of the entire crew. Begin with a thorough visual inspection of the hull and superstructure. Check for cracks, corrosion, or any damage that might affect watertight integrity. Ensure the drain plug is properly fitted and functional. Pay attention to signs of blistering or deformation, especially around the keel and hull joints. Next, inspect the mechanical components, including the winch, brake system, and davit arms. Test the operation of the manual release mechanisms and ensure that the moving parts are properly lubricated using marine-grade grease. Check for any hydraulic leaks and confirm that the davit limit switches function as designed. Carefully inspect the onload and offload release gear. Verify that safety pins, hooks, and locking arrangements operate smoothly. These systems must be checked in accordance with the manufacturer's manual to prevent unintentional release, one of the most dangerous causes of accidents during drills. Inspect the engine and propulsion system. Check the oil level, fuel line, cooling water, and battery terminals. Ensure there are no leaks and that the starter operates properly. Run the engine periodically to confirm that it starts smoothly and maintains adequate RPMs. This guarantees readiness in emergencies. All rescue boat equipment must be accounted for and kept in serviceable condition. Inspect the painter line for wear, ensure oars are secure and free from cracks, and check the sea anchor, bailer, and radar reflector. Verify the expiry dates of pyrotechnics and first aid supplies and replace any unserviceable items. Cleaning and preservation are part of preventive maintenance. Remove dirt, salt, and grease from all surfaces, apply anti-corrosion spray on exposed metal fittings, and secure all protective covers. A clean, well-maintained craft not only extends service life, but ensures readiness when called upon. Maintenance requires the use of appropriate tools and equipment, such as adjustable wrenches, torque wrenches, grease guns, inspection mirrors, and electrical multimeters. Always refer to the lifeboat's onboard maintenance manual for the correct specifications and torque values. Use only approved lubricants and cleaning agents specified by the manufacturer. All maintenance activities must be properly documented. Record inspection dates, findings, corrective actions, and signatures of responsible officers in the maintenance logbook. Proper documentation not only ensures regulatory compliance, but provides traceability in case of audits or investigations. Review findings after each maintenance session. Discuss common issues observed and reinforce correct procedures through visual references. Continuous feedback enhances competency and prepares seafarers to perform independent maintenance on board. In summary, maintaining survival craft and rescue boats is more than a routine task. It is a life-saving responsibility. Every inspection, every record, and every precaution ensures that these crafts will perform when lives depend on them. Remember, safety begins with preparedness, and preparedness begins with proper maintenance. This has been your instructional session from the Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines, dedicated to maritime excellence and safety at sea.